Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Bloranda Dinosaur bubble machine for ages 3 and up. If you would like some more information, just be sure to check my video description for that. So this was actually given to my son as a gift. He is 18 months, but he could definitely appreciate the bubble machine. He loves dinosaurs. He thinks they're so cool. So I thought this was like a great gift because, you know, little ones are really just kind of enamored by bubbles. Like they think they're so cool. They love to stare at them and just see what's going on. And it's just very interesting for them. So I thought this was a wonderful idea and something I could do outside with him. Because right now I don't have a pool or anything. So I'm like, this is great. I could take my son outside on a nice summer day and just make the bubble machine and turn it on for him. So the Bloranda Dinosaur Bubble Machine is great for helping your child enjoy active play and grow strong, fit, and coordinated physical development. So that's 100% true. My son will like run around, try to catch the bubbles. Thinks they're the most coolest thing ever. It stimulates their senses, encourages your child to look, listen, and touch. Flip the box over. So the bubbles stick with a combination of sizes to make more bubbles. So you can choose to make a lot, which I did. Removable handle, easy to carry, and it's 180-degree rotatable head design. More beautiful. 360 degrees. Goes around. Now, to be honest with you, I tried to set this up myself. And I was like, what the heck? I'm like, I cannot get this thing to work. And my husband was able to do it in like 5 seconds. So I don't know what I was doing wrong, but I'm going to take it out of the box and show you the actual product. So yeah, it's just the model numbers on the back, number 1608, 3+ years. It's just a gift receipt on the back. All right, so let's take it out. And it does come with a list of instructions, how to use it. This to open. So open the battery pack right here. So it kind of comes with everything you need, and then it has like a handle. This is great. So it's the fan, and then the bubbles. I'll show you. It only came with 2 packs of bubbles, so I really feel like it needed more because I was only like 1 pack of bubbles will get you used for like 1 time. So I was only able to use it for 2 times. I need to buy more. So the instructions: pour 2 bags of the bubble concentrate. Those are those 2 bags that I was telling you about that it came with. Lasted me 2 times. Pour 2 bags of bubble concentrate into the bubble jar. Fill it with water. Shake it evenly before use. Obviously, it's, you know, don't eat or drink it. Non-toxic. So I would put the bubbles in here, shake it up, and I would pour the bubbles concentrate into the mouth, and then the bubbles will blow out this way once you turn it on. The button to turn it on is right here. So you turn this on, and then the bubbles would start coming out. And then the leftover liquid. And I did this. I made a mistake, and it does say this in the instructions because it comes with a full thing of instructions. It says always dump out the extra bubbles from the mouth into the sink. I didn't do that, and I brought it inside, and I accidentally like went like this, and like the soap and like the water got everywhere. That was my fault because it literally tells you not to do that. And it comes with a full packet of instructions, so it just makes it easier for you. And I think if my husband could put this together, anybody can. I just couldn't for whatever reason. I needed him to do it. He did it in like 5 minutes. He's like, I don't know why you couldn't do that. He's like, it's the easiest thing ever. I'm like, I don't know. For some reason I couldn't get it, but now that he showed me, I understand. So pour the bubbles in here, turn the button on, and then the bubbles will start coming out this way, and your child will be like so amazed by it. And like I said, this was given to him as a gift, but I really think it was just like an awesome, awesome present, and he's had so much fun with it. And it's great. You could have, like, as soon as the weather gets a little warm, like, you know, take your child outside and put the bubble machine on for them. And I think it's awesome for girls too. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.